Holistic health to me was a very foreign concept, and I immediately balked and thought, no way, that's just for hippies.
Initially I was extremely skeptical. I said, this is not for me. I can deal with the stresses and the anxieties and the issues that I have at work quite well enough, thank you.
It was about me understanding more about what are the right foods, how to get the best out of what was available.
At the end of my treatment, my family and friends decided to put on a fundraiser for me to actually send me to Living Valley Health Retreat.
When I first walked through the doors of this amazing health retreat, I think it was about 4.5 years ago now, I was extremely sick. I was chronically addicted to alcohol.
I was alienating myself from my children. I was suffering from incredible insomnia. I haven't been able to sleep for such a long time.
My journey through cancer, it actually felt like it was going in slow motion, and I don't think I slept for the whole time.
This was about me wanting to learn, wanting to really learn and understand my way forward. I'm 61 years of age and I'd like to keep fit, and my focus was really to improve longevity.
Fast forward 7 days, I'm converted. I cannot express how beneficial this week has been.
I was able to completely rest and restore and detox from all the drugs and chemicals that were pumped into my body. I knew that I had felt well before, but I cannot believe how well I feel today.
I mean, I don't think I was in particularly bad shape when I came here, but I'm certainly in far better shape now, mentally as well as physically.
I guess you would call it a revival of my body and soul. I'm here today healthy and happy, and I'm about to actually graduate as a health consultant.